Uiteindelik is ons hier, dag 1 van die Swartobie staproete. Na die mooiste sonopkoms word ons met 'n bakkie vervoer na die beginpunt. As jy hier wil loop, moet jy nie bang wees vir stiltes nie. Hierdie is een van menigte.
Yes sir, no ma'am. Open arms, folded hands. Holding doors, saying please.
Elkeen van hulle word egter beloon met 'n uitsig soos hierdie.
Well, you shouldn't keep your mind. Make a phone call or two.
Hierdie klip noem hulle voëlklip. Hy is so wit gevlek met die voëlmis oor jare.
Little things in life that mean the most. Now where you're from, what you got, and what you don't. It's who you are inside and what you do for everyone else, not just you. How you leave a place better than you
Hier is soveel mooi dinge. En ons kon onsself vermaak met ons skaduwees op die strand.
Take her hand, slow it down. Drive her right through your town. Have her on right around 10. Pretty guy, she climbs back in again. Take a walk down memory lane. Skipping rocks and casting cane. Riding right down a low back road. Little things, they make you grow.
Jy moet heeltyd die gety dophou, want as jy jou vaskeer, kan dit 'n lang dag raak. Hier was ons net betyds.
Now where you're from, what you got, and what you don't. It's who you are inside and what you do for everyone else, not just you. How you leave a place better than you found it. Walk through hell and not around the little things in life that mean the most. Learn more when you're at the bottom. Looking up now, you're on full throttle. Just know the answer's on at the bottom of a bottle. Look her in the eye when she says I do. Hold on to that moment, cause you know that you are ready for that beautiful sight when she's walking down the aisle all dressed in white.
Dis die eerste week van Augustus en sonskyn was maar min. Die wat daar wel was, het ons elke oomblik geniet.
Now where you're from, what you got, and what you don't. It's the little things in life that make you who you are. The things we take for granted, like the story behind that scar. It's the boots on the ground, last time you take them down, kind of fool. It's the little things in life that are worth keeping. It's the little things in life that mean the most.
Daar's net 2 maniere om by Bakoond uit te kom. Die een is onderom, maar wanneer die gety hoog is, kan jy nie daar deurgaan nie. In ons geval was die gety te hoog en ons moes noodgedwonge bo-oor gaan. Hier het ek 'n paar benoude oomblikke gehad. Soos julle kan sien is die klip los en is kwaaiskyns. Daar is geen vashou plekkie.
You just got too much on your plate to bait and cast a line. You can always put a rain check in his hand till you can't. You can keep putting off forever with that girl whose heart you hold.
Vir my was die ergste deel om bo te kom en te besef, dit lyk amper erger aan die kant af as wat dit hierdie kant op was.
Put a diamond on her hand till you can't. If you got a chance, take it while you got a chance.
Ons het besonder baie gehad om die braaivleisvuur te bespreek op aand 1.
Chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can. greasy parts sitting in the trunk of that 65. Still waiting on you and your granddad to bring it back to life. You can always get
Uiteindelik was ons by Bakwoond. Die ergste is verby.
till you can't. If you got a chance, take it. Take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it. 'Cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can, till you can't. So take that phone call from your mama and just talk away, 'cause you'll never know how bad you wanna till you can't someday. Don't wait on tomorrow, 'cause tomorrow may not show. Say your sorries, your I love yous, 'cause man, you never know. If you got a chance, take it. Take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it. 'Cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can, till you can. Yeah, if you got a chance, take it. Take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it. 'Cause a dream won't chase you.
Die een was uit Mergelind, maar alles die moeite werd. Ons slaap vanaand by Lakse Baai, waar een van die eertydse delwers 'n groot diamant raak geloop het.